Привет, сегодня с вами Мистер Прайм, и я прохожу GTA Vice City. Так, едем на миссию. Ссылку на игру я оставлю под видео. Я, наверное, буду снимать по миссиям. Да, есть все вообще умею. Так. Ну вот, мы уже почти на миссии. Здесь с этой стороны миссия. Нет, не с этой. Сейчас попробуем проехать через дворы. Все, мы на миссии. Выходим. Так. Все, мы вышли, начинаем миссию. Вот сейчас можете прослушать.
Go get some sleep, he says. I have been sitting in this chair all night with the lights off, drinking coffee. This is a disaster. We are so screwed, man. These gorillas, listen to me, are gonna come down here and rip my head off. It's ridiculous. I did not go to law school for this. Okay, now what the hell are we gonna do? Shut up, sit down, relax. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. You're gonna find out who took our cocaine, and then I'm gonna kill them. That's a good idea. That's a great idea. Let me think. Oh, there's this retired colonel, Colonel Juan Garcia Cortez. He's the one that helped me set up this deal well away from Vice City's established thugs, okay? Now listen, he's holding his party out in the bay on his expensive yacht, and all of Vice City's big players are going to be there, okay? I have an invite. Of course I have an invite. But there's no way that I'm going out there, sticking my head out the door. No way, not gonna happen. I told you, shut up. I'll go myself. Whoa. Hey, I like 1978 too, but you know, this isn't going to be a beer and strippers do. I mean, no offense, but I think that you might turn heads on the runway for the wrong reason. What's wrong with the way I'm dressed? Okay, look, here, stop by Raphael's. Tell him I sent you. He'll make you look respectable. Okay, go, come on. What does that guy think he is? Now I gotta dress like a chump as well as hang out with him? I like this shirt.
Да, все, видео закончилось. Нам надо ехать.
Yo, watch where you going, bro.
You got me here. What are you gonna do with me?
Nice bike.
Так, сейчас мы уже шелкалку с Дубай.
Papa, no, my bike!
understand you are here on the behalf of Mr. Rosenberg. I hope any recent problems have not affected his health or mental well-being, Mr.
Rossetti. He's just got a touch of agoraphobia.
Excellent, excellent. And you?
I just want my merchandise.
It's an unfortunate set of circumstances for all involved. Of course, I have initiated my own lines of inquiry, but such a delicate matter will take time. Perhaps we'll talk later. Meanwhile, let me introduce you to my daughter. Miss Davis! Cara mia, will you look after our guest while I attend to my necessary operations?
Of course, Daddy.
Please, excuse me.
Mercedes?
You try living with it. Anyway, let me point out some of our more distinguished guests. That's our Congressman Alex Shrub with Rising Silicon Star, Candy Suck.
Have you met my lovely wife, Laura? No? Well, unfortunately, she's in Alabama. This is Ken.
And over there, we have the Vice City Mamba star titan, DJ. Always determined.
I'm locked down on him. I think I put him in a wheelchair.
That is good. Well, now, I'm looking at some prime...
And that poolside amphibian is Jez Torrance, lead singer with Love Fist.
Can I tell you? Do you know how they play paintball? Exactly. Let me tell you. It does not involve a paddle.
Impotent. And the chatty trio, that sleeping sweat gland is Papa's right-hand kid, Gonzalez. And the other two are Pastor Richards and pseudo-intellectual film director Steve Scott.
Those are passion with the Nippo invaders. When the giant shark comes in and just bites their dicks off. And you never saw anything like that before.
Colonel! Your parties have ever triumphed.
I can only apologize.
Well, de nada, amigo. How do we find you?
Our business is very tried. Barbarians at the gate. A time for rewarding one's friends and liquidating one's enemies, amigo. Who's the loudmouth?
Ricardo Diaz, he's Mr. Hope.
Так, все, пропустили видео. Сядем вот на эту машину.
Will you be working for my father?
Maybe.
Do you mind me resting my hand in your lap?
Maybe.
So difficult having a rich and powerful father. Vamos.
Подписывайтесь на канал. Всем пока.